Hello, this is Odosa again, and we'll just continue from the last. So the last video, I showed us the script I built, where if you match to session, it will automatically read through the specialty notes of the speaker, go to this session, read through the different sessions we have, and then assign the speaker to a session regarding the keywords. So the next thing this client, this demo example client needed me to set up is that instead of them that whenever they click on this status, so we have different statuses here. We have the confirmed, pending, negotiating. And that instead of them that after they confirm the speaker, they'll now go over to the email, draft out the email, send one by one individually. They wanted me to set an automation that will run. Immediately they click confirmed, the automation will automatically send emails to all the people who were confirmed, individual specialized email, and the email will contain the details of the assigned sessions, the assigned events. And then after sending an email to the speaker that they have been confirmed, it will also send a Slack notification to the Nexus channel. Okay, so this is the Nexus speaker management channel. Okay, so what I did was I set up the automation, which is this. And the automation is when a record matches conditions. Okay, what is the condition? The condition is if status is confirmed. Okay, so if status is clicked to confirm, this is what will happen. It will send an email, and this is the email. This is the email. It maps to the exact email. So whoever I click assign, I click complete, it's going to send to the exact email. It's also going to map the speaker's name. So it's going to make it very specialized by taking out the speaker's name, the exact speaker's name. And this is the text it's going to send. Dear speaker's name, we are thrilled to confirm these, and these details, right? And then after sending the email, the next thing that should happen is you send a Slack message to Nexus speaker management channel. All right. So now, of course, you have to have your email. You have to have your email field here. So I have my email field here, but I just hid it here because of restrictions. So now the automation is set that once I click this to confirm, it's going to send an email and then send a Slack message. And then after doing that, it's also going to move them to this view. Not necessarily, is it move? Copy. I think it's just copy them to this view. So you'll be able to see all who are confirmed. Okay. And then another thing I love to show you is I also have the ID view because each speaker have their ID. So you can see the photo. So this is Sarah, Hafi, status is confirmed, pending. So you can scroll down. All the speakers have this. So if you love this kind of view, something I can literally assist you with. Okay. So let's come here to test our automation. Automation makes me so happy because it reduces a lot of manual tasks. All I have to do is to just set this up for you. So Edward Odosa, right? So now before you do this, you have to ensure that this person already has like assigned session so that the email will be able to map or get the assigned session. So all I have to do is to come here, click on this, and then click on what's confirmed. So once I click on confirmed, it's going to also add the person here. Okay, so I can see all the confirmed people here. And of course, in this ID, it's going to also show here that it is confirmed. Okay, it's also going to show here that it is confirmed. All right, so let's see. So the email is supposed to send, right? So this is where the email comes in to this. So let me just refresh. Okay, so boom, it has come. So this is confirmation. So this is the confirmation email sent to the client. It says, Dear Edward Odosa. Let's go back. And what name do we have here? Edward Odosa. Then it says, we are thrilled to confirm your participation at Future. So these are the two events, Future FinTech and e-commerce event. And if you come here, let's see what was actually assigned to this client. Scroll down. Future FinTech e-commerce, correct. You review your itinerary, title, date. So we actually have a date field. We have a date field in this session column. It's actually hidden. Okay, so this is the date field. Session dates. So I just randomly put the date. So this is the date field. The date is what? 20th of November. So let's see. 20th of November for the first, and for the second, it's January 1st. So let's see, come back here. So Eduardo Dosa. So let's see the next event. Scroll down. Eduardo Dosa drop shipping first. So it's actually very accurate. You can trust automation to give accuracy, right? So this is the email that sends to the client, mapping it with their name, their details, and all. And then this is the Slack message that comes in. So let's go to the Slack channel of the group. So this is its speaker confirmed and assigned. Eduardo Dosa, crypto workshop, event, venue. You literally don't even have to go over to Slack, start typing. No, we can set up automation for you to run in relation to whatever trigger that you want to do. So if you're interested in setting up automation to streamline your workflow in relation to any tool, Airtable, Monday.com, Notion, Asana, any project management tool, or anything regarding automation, you can send me a DM and I'll be able to assist you. We'll hop on a call and then we'll go from there. Thank you so much for watching.